Christmas tree that we flocked last year. You'll see it in my channel. I'll put a link somewhere in this video so you can watch that. If you haven't seen that yet, teka lang ha, maingay mga bulilit eh. Right here. So this is the box where we put the Christmas tree. Yung top niya, so because it's flock, it's more like kinda puffy. So yung top part of the tree, hindi na siya nagkasya, so I just put it like that. We'll find out kung kumapit pa rin yung flock dun sa Christmas tree. Alright, so andito na yung ano ko, ang aking little helper. So,
I get the other box?
I guess it's time to start. So let's see if it's gonna fall off. Let's test it, let's test it, let's test it. So it kind of falls off, ayan na. But despite of that,
It's broken.
ayan siya. That's how it looks. But despite of that, it still looks okay.
Can I
Overall.
vacuum? Can I keep
Yeah,
vacuuming?
but look, Achi Kap Kap needs to vacuum.